Welcome to Tim's TV. First look at the 2015 aluminum bodied F-150. We are at the F-150 Drive in Bloomington, Minnesota. We are going to be test driving and doing a walk around of the new F-150. This is obviously, in my opinion, the best looking F-150 in the fact that you've got the full cab, black, with 4x4 and the 2.7 EcoBoost motor. So you're talking power, mileage, and the ability to go through blizzards and tow and haul. Maybe the best vehicle you could buy in America, at least that's what the numbers say, and it's the most capable. You can do anything, go anywhere, and with the new 2.7 turbo, plus being made of aluminum, you won't go broke getting there. I like how the lights, the headlights, are kind of, they have an F cut into them. That's what I think they're trying to do. It's a little bit more prevalent on this side, but when you see the F-150 coming, you're seeing two Fs come right at you. This is Tim's TV, and this is the new F-150.